What's the meaning of creator? Creator. Creator.
Creator. Creator. The term creator refers to someone who brings something into existence, whether it's a work of art, a product, a concept, or even life itself. A creator is often associated with imagination, innovation, and originality. They are seen as individuals who possess the unique ability to turn their ideas into reality, breaking through the boundaries of what is known and exploring new possibilities. Creators can be found in various fields, from the arts to science and technology, and they play a vital role in shaping our world and driving progress forward.